What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Hunt's First Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm taking a look at the brand new Sigma 60-600 DG-DNOS sports lens for E-mount and L-mount. The 60-600 is at this very moment the world's first and only 10 times ultra telephoto zoom lens specifically designed for mirrorless cameras. This lens also happens to be Sigma's second full-frame mirrorless zoom lens in their sports lineup specifically. The lens has a maximum aperture of 4.5 on the standard end and 6.3 on the telephoto end, along with a 1 to 2.4 maximum magnification at the 200mm mark. This lens weighs approximately 5.5 pounds and features 6 stops of stabilization at the telephoto end and 7 stops at the standard end. Sigma's newly designed HLA, or high response linear actuator focusing motor, allows for unprecedentedly fast and precise autofocus, so you never miss a shot. The dual action zoom allows for both the precision of the actual zoom ring as well as the quick and intuitive response of the push-pull action on the front end of the lens barrel. There are 3 AFL buttons situated around the barrel of the lens that are easy to use in any orientation, as well as a zoom lock switch that can actually be used at all marked focal distances, and each of those focal distances are marked accordingly on the barrel of the lens. The entire lens, including the mount and exterior connections, both rings, all the switches and panels, are dust and splash resistant, making this lens even more versatile to use. And when it comes to the build quality, Sigma is utilizing a brand new optical design, including both SLD and FLD elements with a multi-material structure for the best possible balance of the lens, as well as build quality and durability. The 60-600 is designed specifically to kind of be that all-in-one, all-inclusive essential lens for travel, outdoor sports, wildlife safari, and so much more. Basically any photographers or videographers who are going to go out on location. The range alone on this lens makes some of the toughest situations manageable without being limiting. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the 60-600 specifically or anything else camera related, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, DM us on one of our social media pages, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.